Today's topic is the invisible force, unlocking the secrets of magnets. A junior scientist's guide to magnetic fields, electromagnets, and maglev trains. Properties of magnet. A freely suspended magnet always points in the north-south direction. Why? Because our planet Earth behaves as a giant bar magnet. What is a magnetic compass? A magnetic compass is an instrument to find direction. The red painted end always points towards the Earth's north. The second property of magnet is Rule 1. Like magnetic poles repel each other. The invisible push, attraction. Rule 2. Unlike magnetic poles attract each other. The invisible pull. In the figure 1, two north poles are like so they are repelling each other. In second figure, two opposite poles north and south are attracting each other as they are unlike poles. Making your own magnet. Magnets can be made by electricity, known as electromagnets. They are temporary magnets. When we turn off the power, the magnetism vanishes. Electromagnets are very powerful. They can lift heavy maglev train above its track and make them run at high speed. The three enemies of magnetism. We should never heat a magnet. We should never hit a magnet. We should never drop a magnet on the floor. We should store our magnets properly when not in use. How to store the bar magnets properly? Stored in pairs, separated by a piece of wood. Unlike poles on the same side, soft iron bars across their ends. How to store horseshoe or U-shaped magnets properly? They are stored individually, not in pairs. Requires single bar of soft iron for its proper storage. The soft iron bars kept across the ends of two bars magnets are called keepers. They keep the magnetism of bars safe. Uses of magnets. 1. Holding objects. Used as stickers on doors of refrigerators, almirahs, etc. 2. Navigation. Used for making magnetic compasses. 3. Material sorting. Used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. 4. Advanced technology. Hidden inside doorbells, telephones, electric motors, generators, MRI machines, and high-speed trains. Now let's recall the chapter by answering few questions. What are the 3 things you must never do to a magnet to keep it safe? Please guess the answer. The answer is never heat, hit, or drop a magnet. Then next question is: you are lost in a forest. You hang a bar magnet from a piece of string. Why does it spin and stop in one specific direction? Answer is: a freely suspended magnet always points north-south because our planet Earth itself behaves as a giant bar magnet. Now question number 3. You accidentally spilled a box of iron nails into a sandbox. How can you separate the magnetic nails from the non-magnetic sand quickly without using your hands? Can you tell me how? Sweep a magnet through the sand to attract and separate the magnetic materials. What is the main difference between a regular bar magnet and an electromagnet made with electricity? An electromagnet is a temporary magnet that only works when the electricity is on. But a regular bar magnet is a permanent magnet. Next question is: your friend stores their 2 bars magnets by snapping their like poles together and throwing them in a drawer. Is this a good method? Judge their choice. Bad choice. They should be stored in pairs with unlike poles on the same side, separated by wood, with soft iron keepers across the ends, to keep their magnetism safe. Finally, thought-provoking question for you all. You know that unlike poles attract and like poles repel, push away. How could you use this rule to design a futuristic door lock that doesn't use keys? Hope you enjoyed the topic on magnets. Thank you all.